Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast on News 18.
All right, starting off with tonight, looking at temperatures falling down to the upper 20s by tomorrow morning. So a cold start to your Tuesday. Looking at some frosty conditions to open up the month of April. So starting off a bit on the chilly start, but looking ahead of those overnight lows, looking at 27 to around 30 degrees. So a cold start to your Tuesday, a pretty, again, chilly morning. Not record breaking, but still could be quite a cold morning for Tuesday itself. Looking at temperatures recovering into the 50s, so much better compared to today, but still not going to be around averages. Average highs around this time of the year are reaching the upper 50s, but we're not going to be anywhere near there for tomorrow. But those clouds have been increased as those winds also increase as we head throughout your day on Tuesday. But looking at high temperatures, 50 to 54 degrees for your Tuesday afternoon. But looking at Wednesday, though, looking at a pretty active day, a couple storms possible in the morning as that warm front lifts through, and then looking at some more storms during the afternoon into the evening as that strong storm threat gets going. Temperatures in the 70s with pretty strong winds as well, which will help to enhance that threat, as well as with the stronger winds, especially with these storms coming in. They'll be particularly fast moving, just like what we dealt with on Sunday. But looking at those afternoon highs, 68 to 75 degrees for your Wednesday afternoon. But jumping ahead to your futurecast, this is Tuesday morning. You can see again, not much going on the radar as we head throughout the first half of Tuesday. Lots of sunshine as we head throughout your day. It's not until late in the day as those clouds begin to increase that we do begin to watch out for a slim chance of a shower Tuesday evening into Tuesday night, with just a couple isolated storms by Wednesday morning. And speaking of Wednesday morning, looking at that small threat for some strong storms, mainly from Tippecanoe County pointing westwards with a level 1 marginal risk, so just a small chance for mainly some large hail possible as we head into Wednesday morning. But for Wednesday itself, enhanced risk for severe weather once again, just like on Sunday, and pretty much encompasses the entire viewing area, with right now the main threats does look to be damaging winds, with tornadoes and hail being the secondary threats. But right now the National Weather Service is watching again to see if that tornado potential or that hail potential may be upgraded, as right now they are looking at potentially a possible upgrade if those characteristics happen to hold, especially with Wednesday's system. And looking at Wednesday itself, expecting some sunshine in the morning, and then watching that threat for storms during the afternoon. 2 o'clock, already seeing the storms lining up around the border, and then by 5, 6 o'clock in the evening, watching a potential squall line, which will sweep through the state. So similar to Sunday, seeing that being a potential, and then it pushes out of here as we head overnight Wednesday and into Thursday. And then after that, active storm track with constant bouts of some rain from Thursday through Sunday, as that system will stall. And the reason for that will be thanks to this high pressure down to our southeast, and with that stalling around, that will keep this rainfall here, which unfortunately will lead to the potential for some widespread flooding as we head towards late next week. And see in the forecast lots of rain potential through Sunday.